Yo, what's up guys? This is a Wyze band. This is a smart home assistant and activity tracker. Now this is a new product from Wyze. You can customize the screens, track activity and heart rate, phone finder. You can control your Wyze devices like cameras, turn off the lights, has Alexa built in, and it's waterproof. So let's go ahead and slides the seal. It does show in the back what's in the box. It has a Wyze band, a USB charger, and the quick start guide. So I also want to mention that it comes with an extra band right here. So that's pretty nice from Wyze. First things first, let's slice it up. Once I got this out of the box, I back Wyze band. So there it is, little sticker right there. I did order it on the early access. Go ahead and put this thing out right here. This is a charger. Charge to activate. This is a band right here. For $25 and everything that it does, I think it's a pretty good deal, man. Can't go wrong for 25 bucks. So there's the bottom of it right there. That's the Wyze logo. Let's go ahead and let's see. So you see it right there. Let's go ahead and power it up. Let's see if it powers up. Remember, this is a power cable. It's pretty short. Wish they would put a longer cable. Let me go ahead and open this up right here. Alright guys, now this little package right here. Here's the size of the extra band. 5.7 to 9.0 inches. Wrist length. Color black. See. It's the inside. Wyze logo. And it also comes with pin fasteners, like little locks, to put in these two little holes right there, and so it could lock in place. So right now my Wyze band is charging, so this is a unboxing just to show you what's inside the box. So those who have tried it, comment down below, let me know what you think of it. Those who are interested, I'll put the link on the description down below. 25 bucks for a smartwatch. Turn off your lights, you know, do many things. So it's amazing for $25. So there it is, guys. Wyze band. New was released. Peace, and I'm out.